situation like this where the head of ICT and the head of finance is doing their job, when they clearly are not interested in participating in the corrupt dealings by the board or the individuals who are there, then their contracts are not renewed. So we need to look into how to safeguard the positions of these staff members, because they are dealing with very, very sensitive matters. And these are matters where, as you can see, just the way the thing has been set up, you can be let go of. They just say, we are not going to renew your contract, and there's no explanation. It is just, you know, they try to say that you're not performing, but really it is because you are not interested in playing ball and being corrupt with these matters. So I think in conclusion, I would say that the Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority is indeed a good starting point to ensure that these funds of people who've passed on are, you know, the beneficiaries of the funds actually get to it. But I've gotten so much feedback ever since I read my statement. Personally, I lost my father in 2022, and we are still in the process of trying to get the funds that were in his bank account. It is more expensive and more bureaucratic to access this money, and I think that we need to look into how we have to expedite processes within UFA. So I'm calling upon